Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Roske and I'm here at the Winnebago Open House in Elkhart, Indiana. And I'm here with Liz Kamarul, a designer and blogger. And we're gonna go take a look at this Forza 2020 Forza behind us to show you some updates. But before we do that, I wanted to ask a little bit about Liz, because I've heard you've renovated a motorhome yourself.
Yes, my husband and I worked on a 1982 Winnebago, and we just gutted the whole thing. It was
Awesome.
a crazy original 80s interior, so we worked on that for a few months just from top to bottom, and it was really cool, but I haven't had a chance to see any new ones.
All
so
right.
I'm excited to get in there.
Let's go in.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this does not look like an RV.
And we were trying not to do that. We were trying to make this look more like a residential.
It does. I feel like I'm standing inside of a house right now. Like, I cannot believe this actually goes on the road and travels. This is crazy.
Very open feel.
Yeah.
This floor plan in itself was truly designed by our owners, our potential owners, because we actually took the time and developed this whole driver's side of the coach where you see the TV and the fireplace.
And a fireplace.
Yes.
I don't think I've ever seen a fireplace.
And what's
in
cool
an
about the
RV.
fireplace is this actually folds down, and you have storage down here. So you're going to have, large blankets, pillows, whatever you want to put down in there. You've got these little baskets here to store, remotes or magazines or whatever you would like to put in that area.
That's crazy.
But one thing I always hear from our owners is you can never have enough storage. So anytime we can put some storage in, we do that. But the other one was, with this area was really cool, was that they have a little pull-out table here. So when I rotate this around, you've got a nice little place to either eat, your tablet.
That's so smart.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah, this is really cool. And I love just the overall wood tone in here. It's like really bright and open. It doesn't feel like, even though you're in a small space, it doesn't feel confined like a little cave. It's really, really nice.
Yeah, the contrast is really nice with the window treatments to the floor, to the countertops, and the wood.
And you get to choose all of these things when you're buying it.
So like all of these pillows, or some of the ottoman back there, or up in the galley area, we've got some accessories that we actually have those that people can purchase after.
And what's going on here? Because this looks like it's different. Like a different look than what we've got in the RV.
Right. So the neat thing is going to be it's giving you examples of different decor
it
packages.
shows you the empty look as well. That's
so it
cool.
kind of shows you what it looks like before and after, and then it gives you the choices of either a Northwood style, a Seaside style, or a contemporary style.
And can you mix and match them if you want? If you like a pillow from this look or a
you sure can
blanket from that one, you don't have to.
And this, to preface, is going to be all coming soon as we're working on it. But yes, you'll be able to go on and actually choose a la carte from each one of these packages, and you can put them in whatever motorhome you do purchase. But they're definitely go with kind of the interior decors that we're offering. But you're not locked into.
So you kind of have a lot of freedom in the design, but also you're reined in a little bit. So if you feel overwhelmed about, I don't know what to pick and choose, you can choose a look and then a whole list will show up for you. Or
yes. So like I said, if I go on here and see Northwood style, I'm going to select that. You'll be out online and basically be able to see every single piece of decor that our design team has put together and is available to purchase. And like I said, the other neat thing is that all of these decor packages that we offer go with any wood choice that we offer.
Yeah.
So you could change it from season or from times a year and so forth, or you, like you said earlier, you can pick and choose from any which decor package that we offer. So. And
then things like the leather and the floor, is that interchangeable as well, or?
No. So when you pick the actual wood, your floor is the color it comes with. But yes, your ultra leather. We do have two choices of kind of a lighter, and then this is kind of our darker version of the ultra leather, and we have a lighter version. That's really the big difference when you are picking the interior decor. But all of these aftermarket accessories are definitely something that really
it adds the personality.
Adds the personality to it. Yes,
it makes it an individual's home rather than just like a pre-packaged.
Yes.
Even though it is packaged essentially, but you still get to choose this feels like me, that feels like me.
Yeah.
And it's all done.
For
and
sure.
it seems like something is going on here.
Yep. I say this is a new feature we have this year.
There's a charger.
You got chargers back there, cup holders built in. It's the theater seating option. Is when we were designing this and getting input from our owners and potential owners, the big thing was we need good viewing of the TV, because a lot of RV manufacturers will put a TV up front and then it's like you're kind of looking all different directions. But this is straight across from the TV, as well as you have the ability to have recliners built in.
And it's not shoved in your face
Right.
either. Like I feel just at home.
It's a really good distance for the size of TV, and it's a very comfortable seating area. So.
I still can't believe a fireplace in here.
Yes, and it actually does produce heat. A lot of people think they're just there for show.
Yeah.
But actually, on cool mornings, if you don't want to run your furnace, these will actually heat up the front area. It's not going to heat your whole coach, but it does actually provide some source of heat.
Yeah. It's nice just sitting here. I feel like I keep seeing things that I didn't notice before, and it's just really, really different than what I anticipated walking into an RV.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, hopefully we're going down the right direction, because we're trying to come up with these more residential styling,
It feels like a
transitional
tiny
styling.
home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Not just an RV.
And we kind of are in tiny homes on wheels, basically, when we're dealing with RVs. So.
Which is even better. All right, so I'm excited to see the other one. Is it going to be totally different?
Yes,
Somewhat
it'll be quite a bit different. This is kind of the darker wood. This one's going to be a lighter wood offering.
I'm excited to see it. Ooh, 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 I can already tell. Ooh. Ooh, this one is really cool. It's so bright.
Yes. Yeah, and we really wanted to offer, again, not just kind of all the same, but still kind of that clean palette where someone can make it their own.
I love the wallpaper. I don't know if this was the same wallpaper it was in the other one, but I'm really noticing it in here, and it's really pretty.
Yeah, it is actually.
Is it the same?
Yeah, the same.
I didn't even
both,
notice
yep.
it in there. It really pops somehow, even though it's lighter.
This floor plan is kind of a mix from a floor plan we've had in the past, but we were kind of trying to make this more desirable from, I shouldn't say more desirable, but actually allows for someone that's looking for more of a flexible space other than just bunk beds. Because we have another floor plan that's very similar. It's just 2 bunk beds and that's it.
Yeah.
Where this is kind of a bunk bed, but it also has back here, which is very interesting, is
Oh my gosh, a whole workspace.
hobby station. You could do puzzles on here. You could work from here. You could eat from here. You could entertain with a more countertop space.
And it turns into a bed.
Yeah, so this is just kind of a fold-up little mattress that you can put down and use this as a bunk if you like. The other nice thing is this actually detaches, and you can slide this forward or aft and put this in whatever position you would like when you purchase it. So it doesn't get locked in one spot where. And the other nice thing with this is that, again, we've got this nice storage compartment down, or cabinet. You got storage up above. You also have a file cabinet down below with actually the built-in for your your files. And then also you can take this and you can actually move this forward or aft.
Yeah, I was wondering what those little things in the
those
floor
little
were.
studs in the floor there. So you can actually move that forward or in the back position, depending on whatever the owner's liking is.
I feel like I could see myself working in this little space. I gotta try it out. Yes. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
Awesome.
It's really cool. Yeah. And what's going on here? We've even got little storage things.
Yep, little storage. I'm
Smart.
glad you brought that up. I kind
Yeah.
of forgot about those. But yeah, you've got little storage pockets here. Hold phone, iPad. You've got outlets down below the table here or the bunk. You've also got
Look at this.
a shade. So typically you'd see a lot of times where there'd be curtains on the side that you bring together for bunks.
Like
but
really
then,
traditional looking. So
right.
this is nice.
And the biggest reason for this is if you're going to use this for a workspace or going to use it to do whatever, you don't want those curtains laying on your side of your body. So we just put in a little shade.
Yeah, that's very smart.
And then you've got storage up above here as well, which we did think about the height of these. So you got in depth for printers or binders as well. If somebody's going to use this for storing, again, larger binders or
There's nothing
folders.
worse than when you open up a cupboard and you can't fit. The
Put
most
anything
practical
in it.
item that you would put in a
Right.
cupboard doesn't even fit.
Right, right.
Yeah, that's really good.
So we did incorporate the theater seat in this floor plan as well, as an option. So it's kind of like what we saw in the other coaches.
And another fireplace.
Yep.
This one doesn't pop forward though, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yep. That does not.
Big TV.
Big
Bathroom,
TV.
I assume?
Bathroom. Actually, this floor plan has 2 full bathrooms.
What?
Yes. So you've got a shower, toilet, and in the back you got the shower and the toilet. Because this does sleep a lot of people.
Yeah, that's true. A family could easily
yes.
be comfortable in here. That's incredible. 2
Yeah.
bathrooms? Man, I need to upgrade. I think it's time. I'm convinced.
And with that, one of the concerns is if you've got 2 showers, can you actually keep up with the hot water?
Yeah.
We have a continuous hot water system from Truma, and it will do just that, and that's why we're using it with this particular coach. So.
Oh, that's nice. So what design style do we have here?
This is contemporary.
Okay.
So like as we were looking through those design books, and you saw the Northwoods, the Seaside, and then the contemporary. This is that package.
Okay. And out of curiosity, are the headboard fabrics interchangeable as well, or is that kind of?
Those are actually I'm pretty sure, regardless of the interior you pick, whether it's Sonoma, walnut, or the driftwood, that is
just a neutral.
That is neutral.
Yeah,
yes.
which works with all of them, so it doesn't really matter.
Right.
Yeah. And what is happening here?
That is a TV.
Of course it is.
That is a TV.
Oh
and
my gosh.
So the reason for this,
It's nice. It looks like leather, but it's not.
it's
Okay.
it's kind of a plastic molded case. But the big thing with the TV is the fact that a lot of times you'll see where they'll just put them right in the wardrobe or right against the wardrobe. What does that do?
It takes up your space.
Takes up your space.
Yeah.
So we've mounted it in the ceiling, and also then gets it closer, and it's a good angle to viewing when you're laying in bed.
Yeah.
So, and then you have all the wardrobe space that.
Which is important.
Yes, very.
Very important.
Especially as you say when we're in these motor homes.
Oh
That are
wow.
kind of like tiny.
Oh, it's
homes.
actually even more spacious than I would have anticipated. That's nice.
And
Okay.
in the back,
And
we've
then
got
a
another
second
full
bathroom.
bath, and as well as your washer and dryer.
A washer dryer?
Yes. Split washer and dryer. So you've got dryer on the right and washer on the left. And the nice thing is we have a big countertop, and we put in just a cover for the sink, so you can pretty much use that as kind of a folding station.
Yeah, that's really.
Which that's unique. Most of the time they're stacked somewhere in the hallway, but we've got them kind of at the same height, so
Yeah, that's
makes
really
it easy
nice.
to use.
And more storage behind the mirror, it looks like.
Yeah, it's a medicine cabinet back there.
Yep.
So you-
I love it. And so you can do everything else that you could in the other one. If you liked the
Yep.
contemporary look in that one, you can apply it to this one. Doesn't matter which RV it is.
Mm-hmm.
And, oh, what is going on here?
Oh yes,
A little hook? A little
Yes.
Winnebago hook?
our little Winnebago logoed hook. So
That
you
is
get a little
so
coat hanger. We have them in some bathrooms that you can use for hanging your towels. Just kind of a nice little Winnebago touch,
Yeah.
branded touch, for sure. So
Well, thanks again for taking me through. I really had a lot of fun. It was surprising how far along they've come.
yeah, no, thank you. We appreciate you coming and viewing and with us. And we also want to thank all of our viewers at home for tuning in. We ask for all your input you possibly can give us. We want to know what you liked, what you didn't like, what you think we should be doing, working on in the future. Because here at Winnebago, we're always trying to innovate, and we want to help, or we want to use your minds to help us do that for the products going or coming out in the near future. So please leave your comments below, and thank you very much for joining us.